Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me, wanted to know, like I use indexing lines in the center of the page a lot. Somebody asked me if you could make that for default, where every time you open a new document, it would do that. Well, the answer is really yes and no. No, you can't do it, but yes, you can with a macro. So if you'll go to Tools and Scripts, and yours might say Macros, start recording. And we're going to call it page and hit OK. I already did it, so I'm going to go page O for open. And then go right here and click new. Get your indexing lines, hit P, go up to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. So let's get rid of this page. Now let's go to Tools, Scripts or Macros, Scripts, Page O, and I'm going to double click on it. And it opened a new document and put it in the center of the page. So I'm going to right click and assign it a keyboard stroke. And I'm going to call it Q, because almost all the other letters are taken, and assign it so you could do anything, and then say OK. So let's shut all this down. And now all I'm going to do is hit Q on the keyboard. It opened a new document and put the indexing lines in the center of the page. Pretty cool. Hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.